silver bird, sail on by. Your time has come to shine. All your dreams are on their way. All your dreams are on their way, sweetie.
They are?
Yep. I saw them. They're coming.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. I'm on your side. Oh, when darkness comes. I'm on your side when darkness comes.
Ah, sweetie, I'm on your side when darkness comes.
That's right. I'm like a flashlight.
Are you a flashlight in the darkness?
Yep. You can see through the dark because of me. No. I am a light in the darkness. I am the way, the truth, and the light. Hey, what am I talking about?
I have no idea. Do you want to start the show?
We could. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, looking just cute,
Would you cut it out?
the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon Boozhoo Weenie Mushane. Say hello to the people.
Hello to the people. How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the show.
And over here, we've got the ruggedly handsome Michael Lyons. Michael Lyons, a rock star cartoonist. Ikadon Boozhoo Niji. Say hello, my brother. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the show. And, yeah. So here we are. Back once again on our crazy little podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Should we start with the word of the day?
How about we start with the day of the word?
What are you talking about?
Well, you know, the Ojibwe word for Wednesday.
Yeah, exactly. Ojibwe word for Wednesday. Abatuse. Halfway. Abatuse. I've got to say. Abatuse.
Say. You've got to say. Say. Hey.
Oh, you can really hit them high notes.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm a girl.
In Ojibwe, we say abatuse, which is halfway, and it also means Wednesday. Wednesday, man. And on Wednesdays on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast, we like to reserve for trashing celebrities. It is Trashing Celebrity Wednesday on the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. What's a celebrity you'd like to talk bad about?
I don't want to talk bad about any celebrities.
Don't you know any celebrity gossip? Isn't there somebody who's just like just the worst these days?
I don't know. Tell you the truth, I've kind of stopped watching movies and paying attention to celebrities.
Yeah, me too. Isn't that weird? Spent my whole life reading People magazine only to grow up and go, oh, I don't really care what the celebrities have to say anymore. But there's got to be somebody who's in the public eye misbehaving. How's Johnny Depp doing?
I haven't heard.
Is he still alive?
I think so.
All right. Oh, you know what? Actually, let's not call Wednesdays Trashing Celebrity Day. Wednesday should be Kiss Day. Huh, Paul?
You want to make Wednesday talk about Kiss Day?
Sure, why not? Today is Ojibwe word of the day. And a gibberish cartoon. Ojim. Kiss. Huh? Should we talk about Kiss?
Yeah, let's talk about Kiss.
This is a cartoon by Michael Lyons. And is this in the book, Ojiberish? You know what? I don't think so. I think this is just a cartoon. Oh. He does have a book called Ojiberish that sells. The book doesn't sell. It contains a bunch of cartoons. But this one's not in it. This is Kiss. And for some of you little guys, you might not know. I can't imagine anyone not knowing what Kiss is, but this is a band that we really like on the show, huh, sweetie?
I love Kiss.
Yeah. And they just had their A&E special. And so yesterday we were talking about it. And I thought, you know what? Why not pull up a Kiss cartoon? And today, Kiss Wednesday. Let's see, what can we say about Kiss? They're going back on tour.
That's true.
This is the farewell tour. This is the last time you're going to get a chance to see them. And if it's any indication from the last farewell tour, this tour should go on no longer than 20 years. I think Gene Simmons will be 90 by then. And so, go see Kiss. This is your last chance. This is their 20-year farewell tour.
That's probably true, huh?
Yeah, because remember that 20 years ago, 30 years ago, whatever it was, when they were going to retire? That was like the farewell to Ace and Peter tour.
Pretty much.
So there you have it. Sunny day, Ojim dem, Ojim. Guess. Should we see who's here? Hey, look, it's Always Learning and Jessica Waboos. BOOZHOO. Always Learning and Jessica Waboos are here, sweetie.
BOOZHOO, you guys. How you doing? Welcome to the show.
Yeah. Up nice and early on this Abatuse. So yeah, I guess I don't have any gossip about Kiss or celebrities. I just remember the first time we sang the Abatuse song.
The Wednesday song?
Yeah, I think you were on there. You're like, Abatuse, Abatuse, Abatuse. I got to say, Abatuse. And we were like, what is that song? Abatuse, Abatuse. Abatuse, hey, 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 hey. Abatuse, 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 Abatuse. And then we realized we were singing the Lone Ranger theme.
Yeah, that's right.
And then that turned into a whole diatribe about Johnny Depp playing Tonto. Okay, so this kind of blends the Ojibwe word and celebrities and Kiss all in one story. So, Abatuse means halfway, right? Abatuse. And then that song is from the Lone Ranger. But back in the days of the grandfathers, or maybe it wasn't even that long ago. I think it was probably like, 7 or 8 years ago. There was a man named Johnny Depp who wanted to be in Kiss. But Kiss didn't want to let him. Johnny Depp plays guitar.
Yeah, he's in the Hollywood Vampires.
Right. So Johnny Depp wanted to be in Kiss, but Kiss had no time for him. They were like, "Nah, get out of here. We don't need no 21 Jump Street. This is, Detroit Rock City, not 21 Jump Street. Go on now." So Johnny Depp went home. He was just sad. He goes, "I don't care what they say. I'm going to be in Kiss if it kills me." So he puts on some white and black makeup, and he goes out into the I think Texas, and he meets the Lone Ranger, and he's like, "Hey man, look at me, I'm Johnny Depp, but you can call me Tonto." And that is how the story of Tonto and the Lone Ranger came to be. Then you gotta wonder, like that first day on the set of the Lone Ranger and Tonto, Johnny Depp comes walking up in his Kiss makeup. And then the real Indians on the set are like, "Oh, here he comes. Edward Scissorhands. Captain Jack Sparrow. He's gonna be Tonto. How come he's wearing that black and white makeup? Hey, Edward Scissorhands. Why are you dressed like an Anishinaabe clown posse?" And he's like, "Oh no, man. I'm Tonto. I'm gonna be in this movie, right? Me and the Lone Ranger, we're gonna fight the bad guys or something. But I put on this makeup because I'm Tonto. And look, I put a dead bird on my head. Tonto. Didn't you ever see the TV show? That's Tonto. He wore black and white makeup, looked like he was supposed to be in Kiss, but instead he was Tonto. And so the day came when the Lone Ranger and Tonto had to ride out into the prairie or wherever. And the bad cowboys came up, and the Lone Ranger was like, "Hi-ho, Silver! Let's go get those guys, Tonto." And Tonto looks up and goes, "No, man, you go ahead. I want to rock and roll all night and party every day." And this is how Tonto started to sing the classic anthem by Ojibwe, Kiss. Huh, Paul?
If you say so, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah, I'm just kind of making up this story on the fly.
You could tell the story of Kiss meets the Phantom of the Park.
Your movie?
Yeah. Why don't they tell the people that story?
I don't think I ever understood that story.
Oh, you know the story.
Kiss did a movie about them having superpowers, and I don't know, it was really weird. But we all loved it. Don't need a story for a good movie, huh, Paul?
Nope. Just need some special effects.
That's right. Paul Stanley, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, this is the story of Tonto, the Anishinaabe Clown Posse. And how Johnny Depp tried to get in to Kiss, but they wouldn't let him.
That's pretty good story.
You're being nice.
Okay.
So what's going on with you?
Nothing much. Just kind of hanging out, having my coffee.
You got some Makade Mashkiki Wabu there?
Yep, I got my black medicine water.
Black medicine water. You guys sipping on some coffee out there? Some people take coffee really seriously. I don't know. You ever meet those people who are like, you'll go out for lunch and be like, "Oh yeah, I'll take a cup of coffee." And they're like, "Oh wow, you having a coffee? It's 12:30, and if I had a cup of coffee now, I would never go to sleep." And I'm like, "What? What kind of coffee are you drinking? You're supposed to put sugar in there, not crack. Don't put some meth in your coffee. Why would that keep you up 10 hours later?" Like if I have a cup of coffee at 7 and I go to bed at 10, it's not still affecting me. I guess I just don't feel the effects of caffeine.
Not me either. I think I have a massive tolerance of caffeine.
Yeah, pretty much. Me too. So let's see what's going on here. Hey, Weesani's here. Bonjour, Weesani. And smash that like button, she says. Oh yeah, smash that like button, you guys. What do you think? I do this for free? No, I do it for the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Nah. Up like the little old man with the balloons. That's right. Up. I think that was a movie, huh?
I think so.
And Hoa, Idius Calvin. Bonjour, Idius Calvin. Idius Calvin is from Rome.
That's what that name sounds like. It's like, a Roman empress or something.
Yeah. Idius Calvin. Mistyped. Haven't had my coffee yet. Nah. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. For some people, they can't even function until they get some caffeine. I went to a little cookout last week, and lady brings out some coffee, big old pot of coffee, a bunch of cups. She goes, "Anyone want coffee? It's decaf." I was like, "Decaf? What's the point? It's like non-alcoholic whiskey." I don't just need the flavor of coffee. But, yeah. Makere mashkiki wabu, makere mashkiki wabu.
Niwi ea, makere mashkiki wabu.
Niwi ea. I need, or I want, or whatever. Makere mashkiki wabu. I need my coffee. You know what I need to do, sweetie, before we go any further?
What's that?
I think I need to say a prayer to the Great Spirit.
You want me to teleport you outside?
Would you mind?
Sure. Let me just lock onto your coordinates, and we'll teleport you outside. You can put out your tobacco. Do you have some tobacco?
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, I got some right here.
Okay. I'm just gonna lock in on your coordinates and we'll teleport you. 1 to teleport outside.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, sweetie. It's Nanaboozhoo.
Oh, hi. Did you make it outside okay?
Yeah, I'm just fine. Got here in one piece.
Oh, good. Well, say your prayer, then give me a call when you want me to pick you up.
All right, we'll do. Over and out.
Over and out. Bloop.
So yeah, thought I'd just come out and commune with Gichimanadu before we get too far. Oh, and you know what? I think I even have a text. I don't know if you guys can read that or not. Gichimanadu. Miigwech ka iji kakina keku. Ka iji chikean nungom. Miigwech. Or let me start over. Gichimanadu. Great spirit. Miigwech ka iji kakina keku. Ka iji chikean nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji waibak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech ka iji gijakuk. Thank you for this day. Miigwech ka iji bamadaziyan. Thank you for my life. Benge. You guys. I'm thinking about whether I want to talk about this or not. I'm 100% sure I don't, and yet here I am. Because I just prayed and doggone it. Alright. This show is not about my personal life. This show is not me sharing my personal life. I know that's all YouTube is about, and all Facebook is narcissism. Hey, look at me. Whether it's my joys, my my cat, whatever, or my pain. It's not my intention to have a show where I cry every other day talking about something. And so I kind of thought about not doing a show today. I'm fine. I am totally fine. Something happened.
Hello, it's Natasha.
Hi, sweetie.
What's the matter?
I'm getting jammed up again.
Why?
Because I want to talk about Connie.
Are you sure?
No.
Good luck.
Thanks. All right, so my Aunt Connie passed away. And I'm not going to do a show just crying. And, I'm not telling you guys because I want everyone to go, oh, I'm so sorry for you. Don't, But that's why this show is weird. I don't know. If I talk about her, I'm going to lose all control of the show. It's not going to be funny at all or even entertaining. But let me just say, I'm probably going to cut this show short today. Maybe tomorrow I can talk about her. Yeah.
Bloop. Hello.
Hi, sweetie. I can't talk about it.
Do you want to come back?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to lock in on your coordinates.
Thank you, sweetie. I'm going to teleport back.
Ready?
Yep.
Hang on. Are you okay?
No.
What are we going to do?
I don't know. Do I talk about Connie and just cry for the rest of the hour and, get all kinds of sympathy from the BOOZHOO crew?
No.
Then what am I going to do?
Be funny.
I don't know. How can I be funny?
You could play that super sad song about your grandpa running away from boarding school.
Yeah, that'd be the answer. Oh, man. What do you think, Paul?
I don't know. I love Connie too.
I know you did. We all did. We all do. Yeah. Jessica says, take the time that you need. You need to find your grief relief. Yeah, thanks, Jessica. Grief relief. On sale now at Amazon.com. Grief relief. I wonder... Oh, what's that? And Dog in Maingan. Dog in Maingan is a book written by Michael Lyons about a dog and a Maingan. Dog speaks English. Maingan, wolf, he speaks Ojibwe. And together they count to 10 in the Ojibwe language. Counting out little different animals like the eagle, there's Migizi, and the 3 bears. And there's Niwin, that means 4. Niwin, Ace-Banag. There's some raccoons in there. Oh, wow, you could get a picture of a raccoon. And then they're counting out, what do they find here? Some deer. Wawashigeshiwag. Michael, you just drew a whole bunch of pictures, didn't you? Yeah, I spent a lot of time drawing this one. Andeg. Andewug. Crows. Some trees. Oh, that's just pretty out here. There they are looking for something else. The rabbits, Wabazoog, and then the glitchy video. And they just run around. In the book, my big fat face is in front of it the whole time. La 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 la. Dog in Maingan. On sale now at Amazon.com. But what I was hoping to do was look for that comic book that Michael wrote called Grief Relief. And okay, shut that off. Browse. Hi guys, I know this is totally not entertaining at all. I'm sorry. I bet you Joe Rogan's doing something. You might want to, click over there. I've never seen a Joe Rogan podcast since he left YouTube.
I know. How does that work? Has anybody seen it?
I don't know. All right, let's see where Grief Relief is. EFG. Greetings in summer. Grief. I wonder if this is it. 11:43. No, I'm not going to play an 11:43 video. Is this the other video where I just start crying? Hikes. Big enough. Get your manado. Tagawi duka wishin. Please help me. Ando Minowe Nungum. help
Great
me
spirit.
today, or to speak well today.
Please help me to speak well today.
Please help my big face to get off the camera.
Get you manado.
I feel like that Nanaboozhoo is going to eat me. Anyway. Hey, Gwen. How do I get a signed copy for my niece? Well, Gwen, you're in luck. I just ordered some more books on from Amazon. And so it's probably going to take a couple of weeks. I never know how long the books take to get here. But I just ordered a whole bunch of new Dog in My Ingen and Like Snow on Skin. That's what we can do. I'm just going to pull up some images. And no, by the way, guys, I didn't pull up the image of that little girl being stalked by the buzzard from yesterday. Too depressing. I don't need to see sad things today. All right. Is it on the USB stick? It might be. Once I was a fool, wasting my time away on a podcast. I don't remember. Here we go. All right. Check this out. Maybe I will talk just a little bit about grief today. All right. So these are 3 books Michael wrote. He got commissioned to do a series of mental health comic books. One's called Feelings, and these are just like cataloging different feelings and the Ojibwe words for them. And it's starring Steven. And then one book is called Grief Relief. And this is like the stages of grief. You know, people usually say there's 5 stages of grief, but there's actually 10 if you count the healing stages. And then there's Suicidal Skunk. And Suicidal Skunk is about a little skunk who's wants to kill himself. But these books are available on Amazon. They're comic books, and they're kind of like, I mean, there's definitely a story in there. But it's sort of something, it's like to read and teach. Let me get rid of that. So, oh no, but I was going to pull up Dog in My Ingen. Gwen, if you want to get a signed copy of Dog in My Ingen, I'll send you one when they come in. Will you remind me in a couple of days? Or in like a week or so? I'll probably remember. Sweetie, would you mind doing me a favor?
What's that?
Will you write down Gwen Carnley signed book for her daughter?
Sure.
Yeah. Actually, you know what, you guys? I don't know how to do this. No, I'm not going to do this. For anybody else who's watching the show in the future, like right now, there's just a handful of people here, but you know, people can get signed copies of books from Michael when they become Patreon supporters. You sign up every month, give us a few bucks, we'll send you a book. But Gwen, for my niece Danica, so like something like best wishes, Danica. No. You know, me Gwetch, you know, to Danica, you know, live free, ride, die, live to live. I don't know. But yeah, I'd be happy to send you a book. Let me just wait until I get some books in. And, you know, and that goes for anybody. If you just ask nicely and we have a bunch of books, we'd be happy to mail you one. Because what the heck? Right?
Because we made so much money last month on the books.
Yeah, we did. Okay, this is just to cheer myself up. Every month we make just a little bit of money from the Amazon books. And for the last 6 months or so, it's been over $100 every month. Which means we sold like 200 to 300 books if we make that much money, because we don't You know, I mean, the books cost $10 a piece, but we only get $1 or $2 per book. So it's actually even better news. I mean, it makes me feel even happier that we sell books, the amount more than the money we make. But then here comes June, and maybe because of this show, I don't know. Last month it doubled. And I know only $100 or $120 isn't hard to double. But when it comes to your own business, $249.83. Profit. Junia, sweetie. What can we do with $243.83?
We could go out to dinner. We could go to Country Kitchen.
We can do that in $20. We should buy something with $243.
Well, we got to pay for the books we just bought.
Oh, yeah. And, yeah. So, anyway. Okay, I'm feeling a little better now. Thinking about money cheered me up. Miigwech to everyone about books. And let me start all over to the BOOZHOO crew. Yesterday morning, my Aunt Connie died. And so it's a really sad day. And couldn't say enough good things about her. The number one best person. And I'm really going to miss her. And you know, I assume that almost anybody watching this has also lost somebody at some point. And, you know, you get it. I heard it said once that grief is the thing that connects us all. Cuts right through the crap. Nope. I guess I'm not feeling that much better. Should I talk about money again?
Well, no, I'm depressed too.
I know. You're no help.
I know. I want to be like the comedy relief and cheer you up, but I'm sad too.
Yeah. Okay, I can't tell Connie stories yet. It's too raw. All right, here's a song that is about somebody else who died a long time ago, my grandpa. So I wrote a song about my grandpa running away from boarding school. And I'd like to play it for you now so I can get myself together off camera. But I know it's not going to matter. That Michael wrote. And I hope you like it. Take it away, Niji. Oh, wait, let me grab the guitar. The song is for my grandfather, Aubrey Lyons, who went to the Flandreau Indian boarding school. I was born in 1913 in the storm of 1913. But then at boarding school, I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau, I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. 'Cause this is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to them tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back to a leather strap. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go. And I remember it still. I saw a whippoorwill out on my windowsill. How could I sit still? So I got right up and I walked right out. The teacher said to me, "Where do you think you're going?" Boy, I said, "I'm going home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. Niwaki way, Niwaki way, Niwaki way, Niwaki way." Yeah, that didn't cheer me up any.
No, I wouldn't think so.
Ugh. I don't know. What do we do?
What if we took a phone call?
That's gonna seem so forced and not funny.
Are you sure?
All right, who should we talk to?
I got Prince Harry on the line.
Really, honey? What line?
On line 2.
Okay. Hey, Prince Harry. Welcome to the show. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
Yes, hello, Nanaboozhoo. How are you?
I'm pretty depressed.
You're kidding. Why is that now, my old chap?
My Aunt Connie died.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry to hear that. So terribly sorry.
Yeah, I mean, it's all right. You know, she's in heaven.
Yes, that's quite right. And you will see her again.
Yeah.
Nope. Can't do it, Harry. Yes, I'm terribly sorry. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, thanks. Prince Harry was no help.
How about the Dalai Lama?
Yeah, put him on. Dalai Lama, you're on line 2. Well, thank you. Yeah. I mean, it wasn't a total surprise. She was in bad health for a while. We just thought we had more time. Yeah, that is comforting the way you put that. Yes, I can see that. No wonder people take such great comfort in Buddhism. No, I'm not just going to eat ice cream all day. That's your answer to everything. That's why you're so fat. Yeah, I suppose I could do that. Yeah, I'm just going to miss her. Yeah, thanks.
Do you want to talk to the count?
Yep. BOOZHOO Count, how's it going? Hello, Nanaboozhoo. Nope. The heck with it. Don't worry about me, guys. I'm totally fine. But let's call that a show. I'm going to go for a walk. Miigwech. Bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. To BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.